Okay, we're here at Osceola Shooting Range in Osceola Forest, National Forest that is, and this is what I brought to the range today. A Ruger, brand new Ruger. This is the first time I've taken this pistol to the range. It's a Ruger Wrangler, Super Wrangler, 22 caliber, and it has also a Winchester mag, which has interchangeable cylinders. So it's the Winchester mag, Super Wrangler, a little over 200 bucks. I've never shot it. We're going to shoot it today and see how well it shoots. Alright, I brought me some ammo. I got some Score 50 rounds, 40 grain jacketed hollow point, and I've got some Winchester 22 Winchester mag, 45 grain, 1550 feet per second, and this doesn't say feet per second this is. I'm sure it's a little bit faster. Anyhow, so stick around, and I also got a 38 special, Smith & Wesson 38 special featherweight that I'll be shooting today as well. All right, stick around, folks. We're gonna get her done. Six rounds, 9 yards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not bad. We'll move it out further, see how we do at further ranges. But I just want to see how it shoots right now. Now I'm going to try it one-handed, see how it works. All right, one-handed. It's like a I was shooting to the left. I was definitely shooting to the left, and then you just line those up, push them out. Alright. Pretty much. It's a 22 long rifle. Here's some of my one-handed shooting. I shot way over here to the left, mostly. I got a shot over here, shot over here. All right, so one-handed, need a lot more practice. All right, let's check it out. We're gonna switch over to the Winchester mag cylinder. Basically, I think what you do is open the side and pull out that pin. This lever right here, this little lever. Hello. That pin. Mag, and just drop that in there, like so. Put this pin back in there. Pin has to line up. That's pretty simple. Alright. This is 45 grain Winchester, and we'll use this first. Winchester mag. That's what actually, I'm going to try the AM square. Alright, so here's the AM. That was the 45 grain Winchester 45 grain. Now we're going to try the AM score.
Offensive ready.
40 grain.
Yeah. Not enough.
That's the end. Winchester. There's a big difference. Alright. So we'll see how this is.
Yeah, so like if you aim at the center of the top target, you'll probably hit in between the targets.
What's that? 1, 2, 3, 6. So I always shoot to the left. I don't know why I do that. I got cross eyes or something. Anyhow, but not a bad group. Well, a couple of flyers. We'll get it. Shoot some practice, more practice. Practice makes perfect.